Well, senior citizen Ghana Premier League no take shape currently as we speak. Samartex Football Club Ajompe with 45 points will lead the Ghana Premier League after match day 24. Nations FC etosumienu also etan ho pan with 43 points and Nations FC Emma Samartex pressure pan 2 points difference any the womb match day 24 no abewe Kumasi Asante Kotoko a drop it to 8th position and now only be ball 0-0 no na manfo nya mo ene obi abowie ye ne insua treman abeyi na free 7 ho a say no wa drop ko 8 across to folk anwumre about 6 p.m. Which is Sunday anwumre 6 p.m. ena one baby any go stars bebo across to folk akoda 10 see about osha likely so no so be jump aba na Kumasi asa a drop more Kumasi Asante Kotoko asa drop more well league results no e wa free Fridays ena games no e sha ase e Nations FC a host to Great Olympics my game no echo ende 1-0 in favor of Nations FC and a Bechem United ne Kotoko no so ende 0-0 Karela Eshe Heart of Lions by 1-0 Insua Tremai ni Bekum Chelsea no 1-1 0-0 Insua Tremai ni Bekum Chelsea and a RTU Adriana Eshe RTU by 3-1 Samartex Echi Mediama Eshe no by 1-0 and Ama Samartex are extending omu lead na say no omukra 45 points. Yes, if my memory serves me right, Samartex ekra 45 points with Nations FC etoso league table do ma fan to so sisi an confirm ma. Yes, Samartex 45, Nations FC 43, Adriana 39, Accra Lions 36, Bekum Chelsea 35, Bechem 6th position 34, Monsieur Tremai 7th position 34, Asante Kotoko 8th position 33. Let's say I don't know Ebobo Kotoko ye wana obeba 9th position Mediama okra 33 points with Kumasi Asante Kotoko by goal difference near the ade and ode Kotoko leading no that's the factor and also a womb. Yes, and only the na your 10th position na Accra has to folk ana meba amehwe ma mame confirm ma ansana bibia ni ya woso Accra to folk there be yes Accra to folk Accra 32 points or that 10th position but outstanding back kwa enumere one bibia ni Gold Stars na bebo Great Olympics 31 points Lagos Cities 31 points Karela 30 points or that 13th position 14th position baby any Gold Stars or 29 15th positions here Dreams FC or 2 outstanding games or 28 and above for 26 relegation Heart of Lions 22 and also relegation and Red Tamale United on also 22 relegation let's say omunso nyina no dia ewom eno no across folk game no e ba wie ya me the home report e be brew e ofia super 24 TV suni.